What's up everybody, I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs and I am having a blast here, but what I have to show you is something super cool behind me, super cool. And I know you guys love hearing me talk, so I'm gonna talk a whole bunch in this video. Boom, RoadTrek 190. This is something that you guys don't see very often because not many people have been brave enough to... I feel like I just have bugs again. Bugs are flying all over me like they were attacking Austin in the other video. All right, so guys, what I have here behind me is this awesome Chevrolet Express, but this isn't just any Chevrolet Express. This is a Chevy Express RoadTrek. And this is a 190 RoadTrek, and it's the popular one. It's popular, it's gotta be popular. It says that it's popular on it, but maybe we'll have to ask David. We're gonna get him to come over here because he's the awesome owner of this RoadTrek, just to see how awesome it's handling. He's had it for a few days. Went and put these awesome shoes on here, and as we take a look at these, we're running a 285/70/17 in the BFG KO2 tires. We run these on a lot of vans, love them. These things are awesome. Know that if you do have a RoadTrek and you're going to go to this lift kit, and I know we haven't even told you what lift kit's on it, you will have to do a little trimming in the front in order to get that tire to clear all the way. So let's get down to the meat and potatoes of what we did on this. So 5-inch lift kit on the front of this thing. So it's awesome. You've seen us do it on past Chevy Expresses. If you don't know what we're talking about, I'm gonna throw a card up right here. You can check out some of the other Chevy Expresses that we've done, and I'm also gonna put some links down below so that way you can check out all the other stuff that we've been doing. Click that, and while you're down there clicking, please, we keep asking you guys, smash that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button. You know, we're trying to build that follower base. We're trying to make these awesome videos for you, and while you're smashing that subscribe button, ding, ring the bell. I'm gonna like carry a little bell. Ding, ding, ding. Hey, hit that bell for us. We would really appreciate it. But back to the lift kit, because that's what we know you're really here for. Dude, this thing is awesome, and as we come over here and just kind of take a look at this thing, you're gonna see how awesome this tire looks in here. So what this 5-inch lift kit is going to consist of is we're doing our 3-inch lift spindle up front, and then we're also doing our coil spacer. To top it all off, we're doing our Fox shock in the front to control how this thing rides. It's gonna have a lot more rebound in the shock and also compression, so it's really gonna help control the ride, but also slow down your suspension as it comes out. So it's gonna give you a slightly less, more like bouncing pogo effect, which we know that you guys hate on the Chevy Express. And as we walk around this thing, you're gonna see like this awesome bumper. So this is a buck stop bumper, and this thing is made out of steel. I mean, this thing is awesome. I mean, it's giant, it's probably heavy, but it looks amazing. And for what these things run, I'm really digging how this looks on the front of it. It's got the silver vein powder coat on here. Dude, this thing just looks hot. Like I like this, you know, and it's a heavy bumper. And a lot of you guys wonder, hey, if I run that 5-inch kit, how is it going to be if I add a big bumper on the front? And I know that this bumper is coming in at over 200 pounds, all steel bumper. So it's not bringing down the front of this. You're not gonna have any issues running a big bumper like this on the front of these vans with our lift kit. So now we're gonna have to go run around to the back of this thing and tell you what we did to the back of this. And in the rear, you have two options that you can do in the rear of this. You can do a block and a U-bolt to get you the height you want, but if you really want to go all out, we're doing the full custom leafs in the rear. So we've gone to an 8-leaf pack in the rear in order to get the height that we're going to want, but also carry the load, because this is a heavy van. This thing came in at over 9,000 pounds. So a ton of weight in the rear for all the living space on the inside. So definitely a big set of springs, and then once again to top it off, it's really down below. But anyways, to get the lift you want, we're running the custom leafs with the Fox shocks in the rear in order to control the ride in the rear. And we're gonna have to go hunt down David and really find out, because he told us he was being fun and being all crazy, telling us how awesome it rides. But you know, I mean, I know some of you guys believe me, some of you don't. What's nice about this too is you can see in here, they have a second receiver hitch in here, which incorporates the spare tire carrier and then still allows you to be able to run like what he has on here, which is a bike rack. But as we walk around to this side, and this, like what I'm saying, this is the RoadTrek 190, dude. This thing's popular. Like, if you got one, you want to come hang out with us and let us deck it out like this. This thing's really cool. I would love to be able to show you all of the inside of this thing, but we can't do that. We're just showing you all the outside. It's got a lot of compartments on it. And then the awning which comes off this, which is also really cool. And as you see some more of these RoadTreks, like the other green RoadTrek that we did, which thing was super awesome. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you're living under a rock somewhere and missed the green RoadTrek that we did, I'm gonna throw up another card right here and you guys can go ahead and check that out. That thing was insane. We went crazy on that thing and totally decked it out. So I don't know if I got anything else to show you guys. Like, that's it. I mean, I'll give you a little sneak peek at something else as we come around here to the front of this thing. You'll see the back of this other RoadTrek. This is the old school RoadTrek that we are building also. So all of you RoadTrek fans, if you have the 96 to 02 RoadTrek, you're gonna wanna make sure you come back, smash that subscribe button, because I'm gonna be showing you what we're doing to the older school RoadTreks in order to get more height out of them, in order to improve the handling and performance of them. So a lot of really cool things that we're doing on a lot of the RoadTreks. So that's a RoadTrek 200. So if you have one of those, definitely you're gonna wanna stay tuned for that video coming up. But that's it on this RoadTrek 190. I hope you guys enjoyed this, seeing what we're doing. So once again, to recap, 5-inch lift kit with the springs in the rear, Fox shocks all the way around. Boom, it's awesome. We gotta go find David. Otherwise, I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs. Thank you guys so much for watching. Man, I can't talk today. Hey, comment below. Tell me what you like about this thing, what you guys think is awesome, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, come on, let's go, let's go. All right, so here we have David, the proud owner of the RoadTrek. We're totally blindsided him. He thought he was just gonna get to come hang out in the AC. But David, we really want to know, now that you've had the RoadTrek back for a couple days, I'm throwing you under the proverbial bus. I mean, I know he's gonna say that it's awesome, but really, I mean, if it sucked too, I'd hope you'd be like, dude, it sucks, I hate it. He probably wouldn't be back here though, hanging out with us if it sucked. But tell us.
Alyssa says it's okay.
Alyssa hates being in the videos. So the more we can put her in the videos, it's great. But how long have you owned your RoadTrek?
I've had it for 2.5 years, almost 3 years. It always rode like a lumber truck. I got the lift with the springs in the rear. Yeah, man, it rides like a Cadillac now. It's smooth. It doesn't like lean like you're gonna roll over in corners. Yeah, I can't say enough good things. Like, I can't believe that like I was driving it for 2.5 years like the way it was. So
totally worth the amount of money, because it's not a cheap kit. I know everyone's gonna ask, oh, what does it cost? And I tell everyone, depending on the weight of your vehicle, it is slightly different. I'm gonna put the links below, so if you have questions, you don't even have to ask me how much is the kit. You click the link below and you can see it, but totally worth it to you?
Totally, 100%.
So, you heard it straight from the horse's mouth.
Yeah.
You know, so he was trying to hide out. He thought he was getting away. He thought he was getting out of this video, but now This is David. Hope you guys see him on the road. So once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.